and welcome back to Pastel Cloud. Today we have a special small creator on Etsy named TsundereLashes with the Sanrio mystery bundle. This bundle was £15, free shipping, and it is from the UK. It arrived a little bit later than I was expecting, but that was literally because of the flu post. So yeah, it arrived within the time frame that I kind of expected, but it's usually 1 to 3 days. And let me tell you guys, it was amazingly packaged, so beautiful, so well. This seller mainly focuses on kind of Sanrio or lashes, which are stunning and beautiful, but I just love the presentation. You could tell they genuinely love Sanrio, especially Kuromi, and I mean me too, but each of the bags were well thought out and genuinely brought me joy. So let's get into these bags properly. This scrunchie is great and clearly made by them, so I super duper appreciate it. I'll definitely wear this. It matches everything in the bag, super cute, and it matches my outfits. So yeah, I'm excited. Their business card is pretty much straight to the point and so sweet. So the real answer is just go check them out. And if you buy anything from their store, leave a review, tell other people about it. Yeah, just love it. Just love it. So cute. So one of the things that I was absolutely amazed by is the amount of stickers in this bag, and all of them are either official Sanrio or look super close. So you can kind of see here that there are just so many, and all of them are great quality. So my favorite was the My Melody strawberry one, but I'm going to show you this one, the My Melody, I think this one is Chinese New Year. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, absolutely adorable. So of course, here's the big event really, the lashes. Oh my god, the hollow on these, oh my goodness. Just, it's so shiny before I've even gotten it out the bag, and the presentation, like I was saying before, are just stunning. These are the Kuromi style lashes. They are super fluffy and light and pretty, just, oh my gosh, I love them. So yeah, and then on to the next bag pretty much. With the little organza bags, I always keep those. I just love them. I think they're so cool. So with the secondary bag, there's just as much as in the first bag, so you are not disappointed. So we've got more stickies in this bag. These ones were smaller, so they're kind of perfect for stationery. I love the theme. I'm going to be using them on all my letters. So yeah, they are so cute. So if you receive a letter from me, you'll probably get a little sticker on it, which is one of these ones. So yeah, the sweeties as well. So sweeties are usually just used to kind of fill out the package, but these ones, because they're color coordinated, so it feels like everything is just super thought out, and it's not just kind of padding, it's more like you're treating yourself and having like this extra special sweeties because you bought a nice thing for yourself. Yeah, I love the color coordination. They've really thought about it. And I think that's the best thing about this package. It is just so well thought out. I think I say that quite a few times, to be honest. But yeah, so cool, so cool. And of course, you can see in the other bag as well what our next item is. Try and have a little guess before I pull it out. You probably know what this is, but yeah, so this is the Sanrio face mask, the Hello Kitty one. If you don't know, I'm absolutely obsessed with Hello Kitty. I have Hello Kitty everything in my bedroom, in my house, so a Hello Kitty face mask, hell yes, give it to me. So pretty, so pretty. The design is just too sweet. It makes me so happy to look at, and it's just great quality, just great quality. So can't fault that at all. So yeah, And that's all of the things in the bag. So we're going to do a magical montage for you, show you what it all looks like. So yeah, this is my face. So I haven't shown you my face in a little while, but this is my face with the lashes on and the mask on. I love the mask, it fits my face great. It's more of a close fit than others that I've seen. It's perfect for the double masking that we've been recommended to do. So the lashes are fluffy, doll-like, I feel beautiful in them. Any makeup style works well. I went with the kind of hangover makeup here, but there is no glue that comes with it, just be aware of that. To be honest, I like using my own glue. I recommend the Allure one. I've just seen that one around a lot and it's super easy to get a hold of. But these lashes are pretty. And though I'm not much of a lash girl, these are giving my face such a pretty, like, rounded look, making my eyes just look huge. So I love it. I love it so much. It's just, I feel pretty. I think I look pretty here and I'm happy about that. So cannot recommend more. Like, oh yeah, so cute. So this is the kit all together. You can see the amount of things that you get for the £15 price tag. It's a lot, and a lot of thought went into making these bags kind of worthwhile. Sanrio is all about cute and pretty and useful, and this bag definitely represents that. I recommend this set wholeheartedly and love everything that TsundereLashes are putting out right now, so please go check them out. I originally found them on Instagram when I was looking for kind of small creators that I could go purchase from, and I loved their stuff in general. I will link all of the things in the description, but from the way that they are progressing, I'm looking forward to seeing what they're going to put out in the future. I definitely want to get more of those Hello Kitty masks for work for when we go back anyway. so cute. I wanted to mention that the character theme lashes on this store are so cute and such a great idea, so I'll definitely go and have a look at those. Generally, I did want to do a little quick for all of you guys. Thank you all so much for waiting on this video. I was intending on making it earlier when I got the package, but I couldn't as my phone broke, and that's kind of my main source of filming and all that good stuff. So I really appreciate all of you waiting to see this one, and I love starting back off again with an absolute banger like this. I can't get over that still. Like, it's just so good. But yeah, hopefully TsundereLashes will also see this video so that they can see how much that I appreciate it. And I would really love to know what everybody's thoughts are on this bag, on this box, because I definitely will be purchasing from them again. Thank you all so much for watching. TsundereLashes will be linked below. Tell me what you would like to see as some anime lashes and what you'd like to see as a character. I think it would be really cool to have a little chat about that. And of course, if you want to see other unboxings, comment down below what you'd like to see. As I have a few more ideas and I do want to do some more talky stuff. But yeah, I think this works. This works well. So again, thank you all so much for watching Pastel Cloud. Links are all in the description as per usual. And any other information, just keep your little eyes out. So thank you all so much for watching Pastel Cloud, and we'll see you all later. Bye!